Right, that's the sill off this end, ready for being welded on, and that's the new arches in there with the 2 bits cut off, ready hopefully to help the welder. And over here you can see all the wreckage under here, so I'm going to have to make a few bits to go under here. And then over the other side it's the same, back quarter rusted. The other side the same. I've cleaned it up a little bit this side, so see what he wants doing under here. I've made a piece for under here, so I don't know whether he wants to cut this edge off and weld this bit in, or how he's going to do it. I'll check with him. I've still got some cutting to do, just cut off, left a couple of mils on the edge, ready for the welder. Great. Right, new sill on, welded up, looking good. That's ready for cutting. This arch is okay, it's not going to fit a bit in there. That's the back quarter where it's been patched up, ready the holes. On the other side. Right, this has had a new bit welded onto it, looking pretty good actually, under there. And then over this side, that's the patches on this side, hiding the holes over here. That's good. And then he's finished welding the sill under this side, so I can put a bit of seal on here now. Same with the other side. I didn't check that, I'll get a picture of that before I go under here. Oh, there you go, that'll tidy up with the grinder. Fill this lot up. There you go, yep, nice. We're going in for spray now. Cleaned off all the paint. The roof can stay. Patches as much as I can do. To the guys. Doors are ready. And then it's still a bit dusty in there. Might give it a wipe actually. Then new clutch sleeve cylinders in, that's all working, that's coupled up. The wiring's in, just needs neatening up a little bit down here. One's tidy enough, the holes are working. Underneath the wing, I don't know if it shall get me torch. Right, underneath here, good spray of seeing under there, same under here, that's okay. I've done the same the other side, and then going underneath, but it gets too manky. Right there, holes in, quite tidy. Oh, that's a top tip as well. Before you put the shafts in, the couplings, it would have been easier to fit the speedo cable. That's a right pain working through that small space underneath lying on your back, but it's all tidy. So that's the fuel line there coming through, there underneath, tidy. We're just going to neaten it up a bit down there and give it some spray afterwards. But yeah, so it's ready for the exhaust now. Okie dokie. fitted on. The card on underneath. If you can see it, a bit dark over here. But I'll just touch up down here. I've got some paint just to do this edge. It look a bit neater. Right in. Right. This is the brake line. Lay it up underneath before. That's the original brake line, good condition. That's it before I coat it with seal. Solid. So that's okay. Right in. Right, that's it running. Sounding alright, but I don't think the dynamo's working. I've sorted out the leaks. I had a few leaks at the back, but that's okay now. Well, it's a bit damp over there actually at the back, so I'll sort that out. But it's sounding okay. Got the oil pressure off. It might have a slight exhaust. Oil pressure. I've had it running now for 5 minutes. Nice and warm. Bit of a leak on that hose going down to the overflow tank, and then down here I've got the let's see it. Right, it's just sitting just above, just a little bit above normal, but it's just running in here. Fuel gauge is working. Oh, that's handy to know. So I stripped it down anyway. But yeah. Up to the temp anyway. Good. Right, I've started putting the new carpets in. I've done it at hopefully the right order. I think it's the only way it can be done. Put these panels in first. Then put these panels in, the bit along the edge in here, both sides. Then you can put the door trim on with the seal at the bottom to screw down through the carpet to hold it in place. Put this piece on and then fit the back piece and the front piece whenever you want them. And then putting the seats in now. I think I might treat myself to a little cover for this. It's not very neat, is it? So yep, that's it. Fitted okay. I'll squash down at the back. Seat belts back in. Ready for the other seat now. Okie dokie. Uh, 30 years, that's it, ticking over. It's not perfect, but I've got it in gear now. That's third gear. We'll be spinning the torch. And the temperatures. Oh, if I put the lights on. And that's the speedo going. So I'll give it a bit of rev. And the brakes, that's working. Still haven't got the ignition light working on, but the little light there is working okay. So right, it's coming up to, it's just over halfway. So it's running a little bit warm, but I think it'll be alright. I've got I don't think the heater's working, so I must have an airlock in the heater mesh. I know it's clear because I did flush it through with fresh water. Yeah, that's me jumble under here for the the screen wash. I've had to use an old one that I found in this here garage, so it does work now. So that's it. Apart from a major tuning and getting this here alternator working, which I don't think it is, should be okay to go. And that's the if I put it, it's the in gear now. Fourth, third, and reverse. That's okay. That'll be it. It's alright. Right, so the brakes are working. I know lights are working at the back there for the brakes, that's good. I had to put a new bulb in, but apart from that, sound. Here he comes. Check the brake fluid now.
Next, if the brakes don't work, you straighten the wall. Mike, press your brakes. Yeah, it's alright. Bit more gas.